Some operators just go nuts on the gas pedal, and they don't do anything else. Luckily, this man pulled the keys out. Things could have gone really wrong otherwise. Check out these uncertified forklift drivers. They have no idea how long the forks are, so they're always the ones causing accidents. And then there's this guy who panics and messes things up at the first sign of trouble. I'm not sure when you're going to get rid of all this sketchy fish around here. Hiring a totally green person to handle basic moving tasks. Do you really think that's going to save your company any money? Some drivers don't even have a clue about the forklift's height, how wide the machine is, or how long the back end is. After watching all this, do you think it's worth hiring a trained, certified driver?